Hey guys, my name is Alex Solomon, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how to make the screen cover for your terrarium. The first thing that you want to have is to make sure you have your measurements. Please, you do not want to have to go into the store and tell them, oh, I forgot my measurements, I gotta go home. You always want to have your measurements with you. So, without further ado, we're going to move on to making the actual screen cover. So, the things you're going to need are scissors, screen spline, a spline tool, corners, the frame, and your aluminum. This is all you're gonna need. So now with your corners and your frame, we're gonna put these in. They go right in. And then you're gonna keep doing that for all the other sides. And you're gonna make sure that this lined inside stays on the inside. And we're just gonna go all the way around. So as of right now, this is what it should look like on the edges. And we're gonna make sure that that inside is all lined up all the way around. And this is gonna be connected with the other part, so don't worry about that. So now what we're gonna do is take out the aluminum, and we're only gonna roll it on the sides. And now that it's like this, we're gonna cut right here with our scissors on the edges, and it does not have to be perfect yet, and that's all you have to do. Now this is when the fun part starts. We're gonna use this pretty cool tool, spline tool, and we're gonna use the actual screen spline. And this is gonna go all the way around. We can start at any corner, and we're gonna work our way all the way around. We have these weights holding it down so that the middle can be down as much as possible. The important part of this is that we're going to start by using the grooved side, not this one. This comes afterwards. So we use this and we're going to line it up. I'm going to just press down and go all the way through. Another thing that I wanted to add is that when you get to the end, like right here, what we're gonna want to do is cut right here, and then start a whole new one where there is space, and then you're gonna want to go all the way down. Now that we have everything in, we're gonna go over with this side of the roller. We're gonna go all the way around so that it gets nice and firm in the middle. Now after that, we're going to cut the edges up to like here, or right up next to it, but not too close so that way it doesn't tear. And that is the final product. As you can see, it looks really nice on this side. Lines up perfectly. And even these, this is like where you cut it. You can also put like black Sharpie on the corners and make it look nice. You can decorate it as long as the products aren't like dangerous to the lizard or whatever you have inside. And this is the back side of it, and as you can see, the seams are pretty nice. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that there's no loose ends and stuff like that. So tie up all those loose ends. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and if there's any tools that you guys don't have, you can always get them from a neighbor, or you can do the work at the Home Depot, because usually they will help you with stuff. That's how I got my the frame cut and everything. So once again, just thank you so much for watching, and like and comment below and tell me what you think. Bye.